EAS in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 18 nautical miles east of Sheboygan, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters.
You have 100 message.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC60 in Milwaukee.